Every event that you see in your account has got a link, and you can change those links. So let me show you which parts of the link you can change. If we copy an event, training group meeting there from my account, and we paste, you notice that there's this first part which says App Guide Pro. That is actually a link for every event that I have. It will have this part starting as App Guide Pro. It's more like branding. So it will start as calendly.com, then App Guide Pro, then the rest of the link. So you can actually change this part. You can also change this other part, which is unique to every other meeting. So how do we do that? If you go back to your home page and then go and click to your top right, drop down, change where it says my link. Right now, I just want it to say app guide. It will tell me if it's available, and then I save the change. So what will happen is that this will affect every event that I have in my account, which means that if I had anything on my website, I need to update those links. So if I go back to that link to show you that changing anything will then cause problems, if I refresh this link that we've been using, you notice that it says page not found. So these errors will occur if you had put any links on your website. So it's important to update. The second part of the link that you can update as well is found in each individual meeting. In this case, I'll open the training group meeting, and then I will scroll down and go to where it says more options. Where it says booking page options is where the meeting slug is. Just to illustrate, I'm just going to change this part and say training and click save changes. So the last part of our meeting will say calendly.com app guide, then training meeting. If we then go back to here and we copy the link and then we paste that here, you'll notice that it now says app guide, there's no pro, and training meeting. So that's how you change your links, and you can brand them accordingly.